In this video, I'll be showing you 3 free AI platforms that will offer you unlimited text-to-image generations. So the first one we'll be looking at is called Vheer.com, right? So when you log onto this platform, of course, you need to sign up. That's if you don't already have an account. But I already have an account on this platform, right? So all I just need is to log in. So once you're logged in, you come to this top here where you have text to image, right? So then you go to AI text to image generator. Then next up, click generate image from text. So I already have a series of prompts I've generated from ChatGPT. Now, so I want to create an image of a singer, right? So I'm just going to copy this prompt. I'll leave a link to where you can get these prompts in the description of this video. So right here, where you have this, whatever, steampunk or flying bicycle, whatever, you're going to paste your prompt there or type in your prompt, right? And then of course, then you can enhance your prompt, but most times I don't use that option. I just go straight up to, okay, now before you generate, you come to where you have the aspect ratio. You can change aspect ratio. If you want it 16:9 or you want it a square format, that's 1:1. But most times I prefer the 16:9 ratio, right? And then you click generate. As you can see right here, it says unlimited and free. So you can generate as many images as you want. So just go ahead and click generate. Wow, this is a very crisp image. So if you are satisfied with the image, the image you generated, you can go right ahead right here and click the download button. But if you want to still tweak the prompt a bit, of course you can make whatever adjustments you want to make on the prompt, and then you go ahead and of course click generate again. But I think I'm okay with this, so I just go right ahead and click the download button right here. The next free text to image generation platform we'll be looking at is CapCut, right? So when you open your PC version of CapCut, you come to where you have right here where it says AI image. So right here you have where you input your prompt, and then if you have a reference image, okay, let's say you want the AI platform to kind of use another image as a reference, you can upload it here, and then you can also change the aspect ratio. So I'm just going to go once again to our prompt document, right? So I want to create a cartoon character. Yes, I want, okay, this is the prompt we're using right here. It says a wholesome cinematic scene in a park, 2 young children, a boy and girl, standing facing each other. It's more like a love scene, right? So I'm just going to copy the prompt and okay, all right, so I'm going to copy this and I'm going to go to my prompt section on the CapCut AI, right? And I'm going to paste it. Okay. So once again, if you have a reference image, you can make use of that. Yes. But if you don't, you can go ahead and then change your aspect ratio. I'm going to use a 16:9 and then click generate. So this is the result that CapCut AI gave to us from the prompt we inputted. And I think this is a really beautiful picture, right? It's crisp, sharp, and of course it's high definition. All right, so if you want to download your image, the image you generated, you come down to where you have this more tab, click and then go to download image. Now, the third website that we'll be looking at in this video is imagefx. Now, I find this website really amazing because it gives you 4 generations per time, unlike the other platforms that gives you 1 image per time, right? So I'm just going to once again go to my prompt document, right? And I'm going to go with the soccer. I want to create an image of 2 boys playing soccer on a sandy street. I'm going to copy my prompt. Now, if you want the prompt, right, the link to join my Telegram channel will be in the description, right? Because that's where I do a lot of freebies and posts. Okay, so you can find the prompts I'm using in this video right on my Telegram platform. Right, so I'm going to go once after you pasted your prompt or typed in your prompt, okay, you can click create. So as you can see right here, you see that we have 4 boxes, right? So this represents the placeholders for the 4 images that will be created per time. Yes, so this is what we got. And like I said earlier, it gives you 4 images at 4 images per time. And I consider this image is pretty decent. Yes, so of course you can tweak your prompt if you're not satisfied with the quality of the images. Of course you can tweak your prompt, or you can click the create button to let it generate another set of images for you, right? So let's wait for that and see what it's going to come up with. I think it did give us pretty much the same thing. All right. Okay, so if you wish to download the images, you can just go right ahead and click the download button right here. So I want to know in the comment section, which of these platforms gave you the best result, right? Is it platform 1, platform 2, or platform 3? Right, so I'm sure you had a ton of value for this. If you found this useful, please like this video, share this video, and of course subscribe to my channel for more media and design tips, tricks, and tutorials. And of course, this year 2026, we're doing a lot of AI related content. So if that sounds like something that interests you, go ahead, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and of course, ensure the notifications is turned on. So thanks for watching. See you in my next video.